The next type of functions are rational functions. So rational functions are functions where you have a ratio of polynomials by another polynomial. So if you have a polynomial by polynomial, we say that it is a rational function, and the graphs of these rational functions, drawing of graphs of these rational functions, is a topic in itself. So it has been extensively discussed in the topic of wavy curve for rational functions. So the rational functions can be plotted very easily using the 4 steps: 1, 2, 3 and 4. First is zeros and poles. First find zeros and poles. Adjustment of wavy curve for poles. Maxima and minima analysis. And observation of what happens at plus or minus infinity. What happens at plus infinity and what happens at minus infinity, and any special points. Any special points. So using these 4 steps, we draw the graphs of several rational functions which are easy, which are factorized already. For rational functions which are not factorized, it is very difficult to draw the graph directly. So this topic, I would like you to refer to the topic of wavy curve for rational functions and try to understand how to draw the graphs of rational functions. Now let us go forward and try to see the graphs of exponential and logarithmic functions.